So today is Thursday, February 3rd of 2022, and we are having one heck of an ice storm, and we're going to get snow later. And I'm about to venture out. Got my crampons on. It is a solid sheet of ice out here. You can hear it coming down. Let's go check out the cars. So far it's just ice pretty much, but we're supposed to get snow. It's going to be a layered effect. First the ice, then the snow. We're just hoping power doesn't go out. Okay. Well, that was ice shut. I tried to use the ice scraper on my car this morning to go to work, but even the ice scraper wasn't cutting it. It's just so thick. So that's it so far. We'll wait and see how much snow we get here.